very happy. Major General Neelendra Kumar is my name, and I wish to talk to you about this book, Rethinking Palkhiwala Centenary Commemorative Volume. Now, Mr. Nani Palkhiwala needs no introduction to any audience in India as a front-ranking advocate for over 5 decades, as a jurist, acclaimed and respected author, outstanding speaker who was very impressionable, a corporate visionary who headed a number of companies of Tata Group and others like ACC, social worker, philanthropist. He was called the conscience keeper of the nation by a person no less than Rajaji. Last year, during 2020, starting from 2019, in fact, January till 2020 was his birth centenary year, and during that 12 months period, a number of events were organized in Delhi, also elsewhere. Now, about the events organized in Delhi, which were essentially lectures and panel discussions, they have all been the speeches given there, the comments, participation are all included in this book. Now, these speakers at these functions were serving Supreme Court judges, former Chief Justice of India, top-ranking Indian advocates like Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, Mr. Soli Sorabji, Mr. Gaurav Banerjee, P.H. Parekh, Mr. Arvind Datar, Raju Ramachandran, etc. And they were academic, the top academics pertaining to law and other disciplines in India, Professor Upendra Bakshi, Anand Kumar, economists like Mr. Arun Shuri, Vivek Debroy, Sanjay Baru, politicians, Mr. Salman Khurshid, Vinay Sahasrabudhe, Manishankar Iyer, eminent journalists like Mrinal Pandey, Ashutosh, Ragini Nayak, Maria Shaki. Such were the people who participated on the topics that concerned their area of interest, which were part of the centenary celebration, and all is then included in this book. Now, I'll very briefly tell you about some of the topics that would give you a fair idea about what all issues and subjects stand discussed in this book. The first topic was a lecture by Justice Madan Lokur on rule of law and role of free citizens in Indian society. The other two speakers besides Justice Madan Lokur were Mr. Prashant Bhushan, activist, and the former Attorney General Ashok Desai. The second lecture was on a borrowed constitution, fact or myth, that was delivered by Justice Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, Judge of the Supreme Court of India, together with Governor T.N. Chaturvedi and Senior Advocate and Rajya Sabha MP Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi. Thereafter, the speech by Justice Indu Malhotra, Judge Supreme Court of India, on an overview of the arbitration landscape in India, and together with the Senior Advocate Gaurav Banerjee and P.H. Parekh, President Supreme Court Bar Association, former President and now the President of Indian Society of International Law. That was followed by a very interesting topic: what should lawyers and other professionals be doing today? And this lecture was delivered by former Union Minister and senior journalist Arun Shuri. Other two speakers during that lecture were senior journalist Ashutosh and former Judge Supreme Court Justice Kurian Joseph. Thereafter, a topic on which that was chosen, Officer Upendra Bakshi, who decided to speak on a slavish regard for authority, rule of law, education, and multinational liability in Nani Palkhiwala's worldview. Now, apart from Professor Upendra Bakshi, the two well-known speakers were author and advocate V. Sudhish Pai and Mr. P.H. Parekh. This was followed by a Palkhiwala lecture on dignity in constitutional context, a judicial overview, and this lecture was delivered by Justice L. Nageshwar Rao, Judge Supreme Court of India, together with Solicitor General of India Tushar Mehta and well-known advocate Neeraj Kishan Kaul. Now this was followed by a debate. This was meant primarily for the young advocates and the law students on how to present matters before a court of law, the manner of presentation, how to address the court, how to produce the documents, give the citations and case law, and the two model advocates in that were Mr. Arvind Attar and Raju Ramachandran, who spoke on a topic on which actually Nani Palkhiwala had appeared, and that was the final outcome in Privy Purse's case was a constitutional betrayal, and these two advocates had argued before a moderator was a person no less than Justice Dr. A.K. Sikri, former Judge Supreme Court of India. This led to the next panel discussion where three different speakers who represent the sphere from which they belong brought out Palkhiwala's contribution to their respective fields. This was General Ved Prakash Malik, former Chief of Army Staff, who took the topic Nani Palkhiwala seen through a soldier's eyes. With him was Ambassador Lalit Mansingh, former Foreign Secretary, a seasoned diplomat who spoke on the diplomatic legacy of Nani Palkhiwala, and Mr. Sanjay Baru, renowned author, who gave a discourse on the economic philosophy of Nani Palkhiwala. This panel discussion was followed by another discussion where the topic was that competitive politics in India, can dynasty and democracy coexist? Now, such an interesting, absorbing topic saw the three speakers. Two of them were from the leading political parties today, Vinay Sahasrabudhe from the BJP and Dr. Salman Khurshid from Congress, together with activist Yogendra Yadav and Peter Remele, the resident representative of KAF, who gave a German perspective on this, and it was moderated by Mandira Nair of The Week. Then we had a discussion in Hindi, and the topic was Bharati Rajya Dharma or Samvidhan, and this saw participation by former diplomat and Union Minister Shankar Iyer, President of Gandhi Peace Foundation, Kumar Prashant, and Professor Anand Kumar, a social activist and a former professor of JNU. And this present panel discussion was moderated by one of the front-ranking journalists in India, Rahul Dev. Then Dr. Bibek Debroy decided to speak on the law of the state and the state of the law, and this presentation also saw, it was presided by, and very useful remarks were given there by Governor N. Vora and the Ambassador Mohan Kumar. We then had all women session as panelists, and the topic was women's security at workplace, a challenge to India's development. And on this, the speakers were a former Speaker of Lok Sabha, Mrs. Sumitra Mahajan, seasoned journalist Mrinal Pandey, who had also been the chairman of the Prasar Bharati board, spokesperson of Indian National Congress Ragini Nayak, senior advocate Aishwarya Bhati, and entrepreneur Ritu David. And this session was anchored by renowned journalist Maria Shakil. Apart from this, there were two quiz, and the book mentions about these quiz on constitutional law that was held at the beginning of the birth centenary, and also at the end of the birth centenary year. Now that gives you a fair amount of idea as to what were the topics, what is this book about, who were the speakers, and now I wish you happy reading. All the best.